Looks like a good group.
Nice and calm.
Yep, the morning light suits them. Easy now, move along. Get on in there, easy. All right, steady on, we're almost there.
Status is optimal, Doctor. 98% efficiency.
Good, the synchronization is exactly where it should be. The current throughput is stable, but we can optimize Section C.
Reroute the primary stunning chute here to reduce drag by 12%.
Confirmed. Implement the adjustment now.
Cleanliness is optimal here. Moving to the next station for final review.
See this spot here. The automated blade missed a small section. A quick manual trim ensures quality control before chilling.
Recording a high-quality yield on the current batch. The separation process is exceeding expectations.
The internal temperature is exactly 34.5. This batch meets the standard.
The numbers don't lie. We're seeing peak efficiency in the breakdown, right on target for the quarter.
This cut here ensures the marbling is perfect before chilling.
The real-time data confirms a 98% yield. We're maintaining efficiency across the board.
The trim is precise and the color is perfect. We can move this batch to the freezer immediately.
All right, now the pH balance is holding steady at 8.25. Enzyme activity looks optimal. Batch 742 is stable.
The curve on this one is unique, but it's shorter than the others. I'll place it in the medium quality stack.
The value add on these Longhorn steers is significant, especially when the horns are handled with this level of care.
Make sure that trim goes into the right bin.
Got it, boss. How many more of these today?
Check the marbling here. Yes, the fat content is exactly where we need it.
The suppleness is just right on this one. Good work.
Clean this area again. Use the high pressure steam right there. We must maintain the highest standards.
We have a slowdown at station 4, rerouting the secondary line now.
As you can see, the transition from processing to packaging is seamless. The robotics handle the volume, allowing us to focus on quality control.
Automated systems ensure every package is labeled with a unique barcode for precise inventory tracking.
Checklist complete on the main floor. The sanitation cycle was flawless.
Agreed. The bay is fully prepped for the next shift.
Temperature is stable. Packaging secure. This batch is approved for freezing.
Check the seal on pallet 7, por favor. We need confirmation before departure.
Already done, Maria. We are set.
Looks like we hit peak efficiency again, Maria. Cycle complete.
Everything reconciled, Doctor. The new system is performing flawlessly.
To ensure the highest standards, the water troughs utilize an automated self-cleaning system, scrubbing and rinsing in minutes.
Diagnostics clear on Unit 4. All parameters within tolerance. We are ready for the herd.
All right, boys, move them out.
All right, the manifest is updated, the herd looks healthy, and the automated systems are managing the intake perfectly.
Keep the pace steady, but watch the trim on the sirloin. We need maximum yield today.
The throughput on this line has increased by 20% since the upgrades.
Yes, doctor. The new stunning chutes are operating at peak efficiency.
Back it up slow. Watch your mirror on the right side.
Okay, I got it.
Clear the bay. Coming through with the next load.
The flow rate here has improved significantly since the update.
Yes, we're seeing much better efficiency on the sorting arms.